Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Sefina May, and today I'm going to be discussing, going in depth on what it's really like to be a new YouTuber. Whether you're just starting out, that is, you've created your YouTube channel already, or you are thinking and planning about starting a YouTube channel, then this video is definitely for you. So stick around while I share some honest insight about how it is and how it feels to navigate the journey of being a YouTube content creator. Starting a YouTube channel is super exciting. You have all these ideas in your mind that you're passionate about and you cannot wait to share with the world. And you can't wait to see those subscribers, views, engagements rolling in. For me, I was really pumped up and excited to start my YouTube channel and share my experiences and the things that I know with you. But here's the thing, the reality of being a new YouTuber can be quite different from what you might expect. For example, right now I have 28 subscribers. You see that, right? 28 subscribers and just a little over 1,000 views. Sometimes when I'm filming new videos, I'm creating the videos and I post them, I get a handful of views, and sometimes it feels like I'm shouting into the void. It's a roller coaster of emotions and it can be quite tough to stay motivated during this time when the numbers are not what I might expect. Though I sincerely know that it's not easy to gain traction on a new YouTube channel, because if you are planning to start a YouTube channel, it goes to say that you must have watched videos from YouTube education channels on the things that you need to do to start right, how to get more views, how to gain more subscribers. I did all those things, I did my research. So I do know that it's not easy to get started. But then after sitting down and creating videos, you sit down, research, film videos with hours. The main thing there, the one that takes a lot of stress and energy, sitting down and editing that videos. Then after I now post them, you get 20 views, 25 views. It's quite discouraging. It demotivates, but then one should know to always keep going. Then there's also a huge learning curve as well, where you have to learn new things, how to create videos, how to do the perfect camera setting, how to position yourself, the way you speak, your expressions, how to edit videos, and creating the kind of content that resonates with the audience. There's a lot of trial and error for real. For example, my first video, which is the introduction video about my channel, I think it's because it's my first video, but it's got like over 100 views. I was surprised, but then other videos after then, except shorts, were getting less than 100 views. Imagine spending hours on a video, perfecting every details, only to see when you post it that it barely gets any view. It can be incredibly discouraging and also make you question if it's all worth it. But is it worth it? Is it? Let's talk about the first major challenge, which is creating content that resonates. You might have the content idea, you might create the video, it makes sense, you might edit it to perfection, but then the response isn't what you expected. It is a tough learning curve, but it is essential to keep refining your approach and understanding your audience better. Then, the second challenge is the technical aspect, which is selecting the right microphone, selecting the right camera equipment, selecting the right tripod or stand to use. But all this does not really matter. Starting as a new YouTuber, you don't really need this much equipment. Some people, they want to start a YouTube channel. They really have so much ideas to put out there. But what is stopping them is equipment. You don't really need much to start. You only need your mobile phone to start. You can begin small. By the time that it starts growing, you can then get more equipment. This does not matter. But then the technical aspect on where you have to learn the right settings that you put your phone camera in and how to edit your videos is quite important. It's very important, because if you don't have a pleasing video, people will not watch. You need to learn this. It is the technicality of being a YouTube content creator. Although established YouTube creators, they have team that help them with setting up, with editing their videos. It makes things a lot easier. But as a one-person army, you don't need to stress yourself on the equipment that you need to buy before you start your channel. Begin now, start now. And if you have already started and you're thinking that the video quality that you have been creating is not good, then get more better settings. You can still film YouTube videos with your mobile phone. You don't need much, just begin. Doing it alone might be overwhelming to you, but it's also key to expanding your skills of being better at creating content. Another big challenge is getting an established audience. Getting your content noticed can be quite tough. You need to be your own marketer, sharing your videos to other platforms, sharing your videos to people, interacting, engaging with potential viewers, going to channels that are similar to what you do and engaging there. You don't necessarily have to be putting in comment section that go and subscribe to my YouTube channel, sub for sub. That will ruin your chances of your channel even getting better. But if you leave constructive comments and people see that you really know what it's about, you can check out your own channel and see the content that you create. Getting your content noticed requires finding a creative way to stand out from the crowd. It can be quite tough to find your correct footing, but with more learning, with more research, with creating more videos and doing more of the technical stuff, you get better at it. Then the next challenge is consistency. Consistency is absolutely crucial. It is difficult as a new YouTuber to be consistent in creating videos and posting them. You can even create some videos and then it takes you a long while to edit them and post them because life may get in the way. Balancing responsibilities with your YouTube content creation might not be easy to balance starting out, but then you can do it. I believe you can do it the same way I can also do it. I'm also a new YouTuber. I opened my YouTube channel on May 2nd, 2024, so we can learn together. We can do this together. When you are consistent with posting videos, when you are consistent with engaging viewers, it creates this level of trust and build anticipation with your viewers. So you that are a new YouTuber and me too that I'm just starting my YouTube journey, we need to stick to consistency. Be consistent with uploading videos, be consistent with engaging viewers. Then the last thing I'll talk about is building your confidence and building your voice, your unique voice, your unique brand. Your first videos might feel awkward, you might feel a bit camera shy, though this is like my seventh video, but looking back at my first video, I've seen the thing that I could have done better. So when you keep doing it, it gets better. Practice does not make perfection. Practice makes getting better and better. If you feel like the video that you filmed is cringe or that it's awkward, it's normal to feel that way.
Reminder: creativity is inventing, experimenting, growing, taking risks, breaking rules, making mistakes, and having fun. So just have fun with it.
So, what's it really like being a new YouTuber? It's challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. If you are just starting YouTube just like me, or you are planning to start your YouTube channel very soon, my advice is to be patient, stay passionate, and keep creating content that you love. Remember, every big YouTuber right now started where we are at the moment. Becoming a YouTuber is a journey that is filled with opportunity and growth. You will eventually get to what your aim is, which is monetization, of course. But then know that the basics of growing is that you should create content that you love, content that you know that you can do for the next 2 or 3 years without getting tired. That content will fall under a niche, and then you can keep growing contents for that niche. Before we know it, you will grow and I will grow, and I hope that we all become successful in this YouTube journey that we have started. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. You can also share your creator experience in the comment section. I would definitely reply to each and every one of them. Let's grow this community together. Until then, bye. See you in my next one.